I'm here, your friend, because I want to be a YouTuber. Because I'm super rich. Look, it's this more money. This is $100,000. And so guys, I will create a video. So guys, I will show you this toy, my baby. Someone sick, someone pooping in this house. She are pooping. I'm here the bathroom because I want to be a YouTuber. Kalamig sa iyong mga pusong bumabato para sa'yo.